If you're looking for a dependable replacement drum unit for your Ricoh printer, the Genuine Ricoh Drum Unit is a solid choice. Designed to deliver crisp, consistent prints, it supports models like the SP3600DN, 3600SF, 3610SF, 4510DN, and 4510SF. With an approximate yield of 20,000 pages, it keeps your printing running smoothly without frequent interruptions. What you get is a single drum unit that's easy to install, saving you time and hassle. This unit is an OEM product, meaning it's made to meet Ricoh's strict quality standards. That ensures your printer performs at its best, with sharp text and clear images every time you print. It's a straightforward swap that keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Customers in the United States have praised this drum unit for its reliability and quick delivery. One buyer mentioned needing a replacement drum and found exactly what they needed with Inkstar. The product arrived promptly and performed exactly as expected, confirming its quality and authenticity. Another user highlighted how well the drum unit fit their copier and appreciated the fast shipping. The product worked perfectly, matching the description down to every detail. These real-world experiences show you're getting a trusted part that delivers consistent results, reducing downtime and costly maintenance. Choosing a Genuine Ricoh drum unit matters because it protects your printer from damage caused by incompatible parts. It also ensures your prints maintain professional quality, whether you're handling office documents or detailed graphics. This unit's long life means fewer replacements, which saves you money in the long run. If you value smooth operation and sharp print quality, this drum unit is worth a look. It's a practical investment that keeps your Ricoh printer functioning at peak performance. When you're ready to replace your drum, this OEM option offers peace of mind and dependable results. Keep your Ricoh printer running like new with this Genuine drum unit. It's designed to handle high-volume printing with ease, so you can focus on your work without worrying about print quality or unexpected breakdowns. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality part makes.